Apart from selling locally manufactured and fabricated steel, Steel PNG is also going into building homes for its customers using steel and other related building materials. Some of these home products were open to the public for inspection this morning at its Baruni sales and warehouse facility.
So these are basically 40, 60 and 90 square meter houses, which are kit homes. That means we send the components to the site, which are then assembled and constructed on site. We also have modular homes, which is the one we are standing here in. This is a 40 square meter modular home, which is basically built entirely in our factory, delivered to site on truck beds, and then just put up on stumps and ready probably in between 4 to 6 weeks, ready to live in. So these are the two different kinds of home models that we are promoting in Papua New Guinea. We know there's a very big demand for homes here in the country.
Having a home is everyone's dream, whether it be on state land or customary land in rural or urban areas. However, being eligible and meeting certain requirements can be a challenging thing. Steel PNG is now partnering with various stakeholders such as real estate companies and commercial banks like BSP Financial Group Limited to enable a more conducive and faster way for home buyers.
We are not involved in the process of getting arranging loans for customers, but again, it's an integral part of building a house. So the good thing about it is that BSP knows Atlas Steel, they know our product, and they are on the forefront processing a lot of loans for people. When they hear about somebody or they come across an application which requires a steel home to be constructed and they see Atlas Steel as a name, as a supplier, I think they have that level of trust in us, and definitely it helps in processing the paperwork much faster.
As more major resource projects come onto the country's economic pipeline and as the Marape government eyes downstream processing, local steel manufacturers and producers such as Steel PNG want the government to provide opportunities for them in these major resource projects.
What we would like to see the country do for us as a local manufacturer is to try and protect companies like us who are putting in all our resources, all our effort to retain the manufacturing in the country. So probably some kind of taxation structure for importing finished products from overseas, that would be a very big help to us. That would be one thing. The second thing that comes across to me would be that there are so many government projects coming up here. And in these kind of government projects, if they could promote using local fabricators and local products like us, that would really be good for us. You know, as a local organization, we are employing so many people, and if we get more business, we will employ more people. It's a cycle.
Dennis Orere, National EMTV News.